Hi everybody, it is time for math. We are going to continue with subtraction today. Now remember last unit we talked about addition, and addition is putting two numbers together and making a bigger number, and subtraction is taking away a few and making a smaller number. Now there is something the same between addition and subtraction, and they both have symbols. Now remember we talked about symbols. Both addition and subtraction statements both have, what is this called again? This is called an equal sign. An equal sign. So today we will see the equal sign come back with our subtraction problem. Now let's review what the symbol was for addition. The symbol for addition was the plus sign, which was in place of the word and. Now, just like addition, subtraction has its own sign, and it is called the minus sign. What is this called? The minus sign, which takes the place of take away. So instead of take away, we are going to have the minus sign now, okay? So let's do a few review, and then we'll get into the worksheet. So, as you can see, I have some dots, I have a blank, a circle, and another blank. Okay, so what we're going to put in this spot, we're going to put how many dots are all together. So let's see how many dots are all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write 6 on the first line. What symbol is going to go here? What symbol is going to go there? The minus sign. And the minus sign is very easy. It's just a line like that. So it says 6 minus 3. So what do we do for the 3? We cross out 3 circles. Now how many circles do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 circles left. So this picture shows us that 6 minus 3 equals 3. All right, we're going to do one more and then we'll get into the worksheet. Okay, just give me a second to clean off my board. This time we're going to do stars. Does that sound okay? Okay. So, what are we going to do on the first line? What do we count? We count how many stars are in all. So let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put 4 on the line. What goes in the circle? What goes in the circle? That's right, the minus sign. What number is this? 4. What do we do to the stars with the 4? We cross out 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many stars do we have left? We have 0. So this picture shows us that 4 minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so what I need you to grab now is your 12.4 worksheet and a pencil. Your 12.4 worksheet and a pencil. Okay, so this is basically what we did for our review. So we're going to do, let's do the first one together. Let's see. Let's count how many dogs there are in all. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we write 7 on the first line. So with your pencil, write 7 on the first line. All right, what do I put in the circle again? Do you remember what that's called? It's called the minus sign. So do a minus. So we have 7 minus 2. So what do we do to the dogs? We cross out how many? 2. 1, 2. How many dogs do we have left? How many dogs do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 on this line. So this picture shows us that 7 minus 2 equals what? 5. All right, so we're going to do this one together, and then the next two you're going to do by yourself. All right, let's count how many frogs we have in this picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're going to write 10 on the line. What do we put in the circle? We put a minus sign. So we got 10 minus 5. What do we do with this 5? We cross out how many frogs? 5. Awesome job. So let's cross it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let's just make sure I cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many frogs do we have left then? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 on this line. So this picture shows us that 10 minus 5 equals 5. All right, so I want you to try the next two by yourself. Now remember, you count how many cats are in all, put that number here, do the symbol we've talked about, cross out that many cats, then you write how many are left on this line. But I know you guys can do it. So I'm going to pause the video, and I want you to do both of these, and when you are ready, you can unpause. All right, let's check your answers. I know you guys are doing great with subtraction, so I'm sure everything is perfect. Okay, let's count how many cats are in this picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to write 8 on my line. What symbol do I put in there again? I put a minus sign. So it says 8 minus 4 equals what? So how many cats am I going to cross out? I cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many cats do we have left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 cats left. So this picture shows us 8 minus 4 equals 2. Equals 2. What? 8 minus 4 equals 4. Ah, my goodness, my brain does not know what a 4 is apparently. All right, are we ready to do the bunnies? Let's do the bunnies. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 bunnies in all. What's the really cool symbol I put here? The minus sign. Now, how many bunnies do I cross out? I cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many bunnies are left? 0. So you're going to write 0 on the line. So 6 minus 6 equals 0. So that's what our picture shows us. I'm just going to give you a few moments to check your answers. And when you are all set, flip over the page to the fluency side. Okay, so they want us to practice subtraction with our 10 frames. So what you're going to do, you can use your fingers, or I'm going to show you a different way, okay? So let's start off, we'll do the first 2 and then the rest is by yourself. So I'm going to do my fingers for the first one, and then I'm going to show you a different way the second time, okay? So let's use our fingers. How many fingers do I start off with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put up 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4, take away 0. All right, so I took away 0. How many fingers do I have left? I have 4. So 4, take away 0 is 4. Now another way is to use the picture. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, take away 2. So what you could do is cross out 2, and let's see how many we have left. Actually, I'm going to use, maybe you might want to use a crayon for this one so you can see it easier. So I'm going to use my yellow. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2. How many do I have left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 left. Oh, I don't want that. I want the black. So 6 take away 2 is 4. So use whichever method is easiest for you. You can use your fingers or you can use the picture and cross out, okay? But I want to see the rest of your work done by yourselves, and I want to see your post your work below. You guys did fantastic with math today. Keep up the great work with math, and I'll see you later. Bye.